हेलो केम छो?
किस एज में आपने पहली बार स्टेज पे कदम रखा था?
आई वेंट टू स्टेज फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं 6 महीने की बेबी थी।
आपने आतंक को करीब से देखा है नाइजीरिया में।
ऐसा हुआ था कि आई गॉट टू सी अ फायरिंग फ्रॉम द विंडो। दिमाग में रह गया लाइक ओ माय गॉड, हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू स्टे होम।
और एंकरिंग करके आपने बहुत बड़े बड़े स्टार्स के साथ स्टेज शेयर किया है।
हाँ।
वन वाज दिस चैंपियन क्रिस गेल।
माय गॉड, नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक आई वाज इंटरव्यूइंग क्रिस गेल।
हाँ।
It is actually nice. But the best one is संजू बाबा की जप्पी।
क्रिकेट के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है, but क्रश अजय जडेजा।
पता नहीं, that was like we had even printed T-shirt of Ajay Jadeja.
More than 50% people, girls especially, young girls, हर एक को अपना करियर बनाना, and they grab those chances by compromise.
Sadly, that's the truth.
आज हम आपके लिए मेहमान लेके आए सीधे साउथ से, a South beauty. What else is she not? She is an anchor, she is an actor, she is a trainer, she is a leader. उन्होंने बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है, बहुत से एरिया में काम किया है। मैं गिनाता जाऊंगा फिर भी कम पड़ेगा। तो मैं सीधा उन्हीं के मुंह से आपकी कहानी सुनाता हूँ। A superstar from my side, straight from the Canadian movie industry, सौजन्या हेगड़े मैम। Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Hello, केम छो?
बढ़िया एकदम। So आपने शुरुआत ही गुजरात से कर ली है and you're there. So how do you like coming over here in Surat, Gujarat right now?
Wonderful. एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकलते ही लगता है कि the first thing that you read is the most cleanest city of India and you feel nice to come. So feels
And
good.
how are the people over here? आपको लोग कैसे लगे यहाँ के?
हीरो की सिटी है तो हीरो जैसी है।
Oh wow.
Everybody like diamonds. Very friendly, very अपनापन देखते हैं। Thanks.
ओके सो मैम हम आपके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं बहुत कुछ। और जब मैं आपकी स्टडी कर रहा था, आपसे ऑब्जर्व कर रहा था स्पेशली आपको थ्रू आउट, जब आप साथ में थे, यू आर वेरी फ्रेंडली, वेरी बबली, यू हैव टू एरियाज, एट टाइम यू आर वेरी एलिगेंट एंड इन अ पोज यू आर वेरी पोज्ड अप एंड एट टाइम यू आर वेरी बबली। सो ये जो आपका बिंदास अंदाज है,
बिंदास अंदाज, अच्छा लगा।
राइट, तो ये जो आपका बिंदास अंदाज है, ये बचपन से है या आउटर लुक के लिए स्ट्रैटेजी है?
नहीं नहीं, ये बिंदास अंदाज बचपन से ही है। I've been always that bubbly, enthusiastic person. If you want to, आप बोलेंगे describe yourself, I'll say energetic, enthusiastic and ever smiling. ये हमेशा रहता है, irrespective of मन में क्या मूड है, दिन कैसे गया है, that energy and enthusiasm is always there.
तो फिर अगर इतना बिंदास होंगे,
हाँ,
तो कहीं ना कहीं आपने दिमाग भी खुराफती चलता होगा,
जैसे
जैसे कुछ ना कुछ प्रैंक करते होंगे, कुछ ना कुछ मस्ती करते होंगे।
हाँ, वो तो रहता है, लेकिन सब कुछ तो कैमरा के सामने नहीं बोल सकते।
थोड़ा बहुत तो बताएंगे तभी ऑडियंस जानेगी, आपको सीखेगी कुछ आपके बारे में।
चलो ठीक है।
तो बताइए क्या प्रैंक्स आपको पसंद थे?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि प्रैंक्स पसंद थे, बट हंसी मजाक से जिंदगी। इट्स नॉट दैट कोई कोने में बैठ गए और अगर किसी की पहचान नहीं है तो आई एम द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु वॉक्स अप टू देम एंड लाइक हेलो आई एम सौजन्या, हु आर यू।
और
तो
ऐसा
आई लाइक टू टॉक टू पीपल। अगर ट्रैवल भी अकेले करती हूँ, आई लाइक टू ट्रैवल। ज्यादातर वर्क पे ट्रैवल होती है, तो मेरी बेटी पूछती है आज फ्लाइट में किसकी पहचान हुई, बिकॉज इफ somebody is there next to me I'm like hello I'm सौजन्या, बातचीत चलेगी। So I don't like to sit idle. अच्छा लगता है।
तो आप इतना जब फ्रेंडली हो जाते हैं एंड आपने जहां जहां काम किया है, मेल्स से काम तो पड़ा ही होगा।
मेल डोमिनेंट सोसाइटी है तो उनके साथ काम करना ही होगा।
तो जब आपने किया और इतना बिंदास है, तो आपको नहीं लगता इससे कईयों को तकलीफ होती होगी?
उनकी तकलीफ उनकी प्रॉब्लम, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है। लेकिन उनकी वजह से अगर मुझे तकलीफ होती है, हाँ ऐसी तकलीफें होती है।
तो हाउ डू यू हैंडल दोस थिंग्स?
तकलीफ के लेवल्स अलग अलग है।
हाँ।
बेसिक तकलीफ इजी से सॉर्ट आउट हो जाती है। लाइक गाइस यूजुअली टेंड टू गेट क्लोजर व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट अ पर्सन लाइक मी। अगर मैं भी होती तो somebody who is so open and बिंदास बात करती है, दे लाइक ओह इसे तो ज्यादा बात कर सकते हैं, यू कैन गेट क्लोज टू। बट जब कट ऑफ करना इजी है, शुरुआत में यू डोंट नो द पर्सन मच, यू डोंट हैव मच टू डील विद, ऐसा इजीली कट ऑफ करके वापस आ सकते हैं। बट देन इफ यू हैव टू स्टे देयर एंड स्टिल डील विद इट, वहां पे मुश्किल आ जाता है। हाउ टू
सो व्हेन डू यू हैव टू स्टे एट द वर्कप्लेस?
Yeah, usually when the work mode is there and that person has to be dealt with on a regular basis, ऐसे कट ऑफ करके नहीं जा सकते, then dealing with such people
Is
with
this
such approach. I'm not saying everybody is like that.
okay?
बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं which you don't realize. हम बोलते हैं कि अरे men are always men. No, men are actually good.
Okay.
Some men are not good. So that's a difference.
So मैं कई बार कहता हूँ कि लेडीज में 9 देवियों का वास होता है, लेकिन जेंट्स में, मर्दों में ना, या तो राम होता है या रावण होता है। राम बचे नहीं है और रावण हम दिखा सकते नहीं है, तो हम क्या करते हैं स्ट्रैटेजी के लिए, दिखाने के लिए कृष्ण बन जाते हैं।
ओए this is a nice one.
तो ऐसे जब कृष्ण आते हैं और वो लीला रचते हैं, तो उन लीला से बचते कैसे हैं?
कृष्ण की लीला से बचना मुश्किल ही है।
लेकिन ये जो कृष्ण दिखावे वाले हैं मर्दों की जात में, हाँ, उस बात से कैसे बचा
दिखावा तो हमें भी करना पड़ता है। To live in a society, it's not that every time that you are in ये जो बिंदास है or whatever, मुखवाड़, that poster, that mask has to come up.
Okay.
At times to manage your situation. Being a lady also, I am also saying, I am one person की ऐसा नहीं बोलती हूँ, we are ladies, we need power, we need gender equality. मतलब it is not that we demand that हमें कोटा मिल जाए, हमें रिजर्वेशन मिल जाए. I am someone who feels like अगर हमें कैपेसिटी है और हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी दी गई, we can also perform. But having said that, people say, oh, you are a lady, that's why you're getting opportunities. Not really. There are so many ladies who get their opportunities, get their success, not because they are ladies, because they're talented. And society has still not understood that. Just because somebody is rising on a ladder, maybe leadership, maybe success, maybe stages, it doesn't mean that a lady is compromising something and leading. Talent भी होती है, hard work भी होती है, luck होती है, जो सबको नहीं मिलती है और शायद इसको मिल रही है. People will not accept that. उनको यही लगता है, oh she is bindas, oh ये सबसे बात करती है, ये दिखने में अच्छी है, बात करने में अच्छी है, इसलिए उसको opportunities मिल रही है. That is not actually right.
But people perceive that way. What to do about that?
Can't help it. उनका problem है. क्योंकि वो लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं, if you get back and sit at home, मैं घर में बैठी रहती, I will not go ahead and succeed. ये बोलने में आसान है. It is not as easy as it is said. You will have to prepare your mind to keep the criticism away. When you say criticism away, जब कोई criticism आपकी बेहतरी के लिए है, you should take it. But अगर ऐसे आलतू फालतू में लोग बोल रहे हैं, that is affecting you, no.
And how do you find that difference of कि ये फालतू criticism है और ये actual criticism है?
You realize अगर कुछ है that has to be improved in yourself. अगर कभी बोलता है कि तुम ऐसे बिहेव करती हो, तो it gives wrong signals to others. I will be more alert in the next time that I approach people. I will take it well. But somebody cannot come and say, तू सबसे बात करती है इसलिए लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं. अरे यार, this is my character, this is my self. I cannot come into some other type just to please others. So there is an introspective part of it, but sometimes not everything that they say we have to change. फिर तो सौजन्या नहीं रहेगी.
Okay.
Manish will not stay Manish.
Exactly. But since you said that ladies get chances more, and male gave you chances on the upper level, हाँ, कुछ लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि male gave you chances ऊपर the upper level to get them a chance.
अच्छा, ये word तो मैंने नहीं सुना, but maybe that's what people think. Maybe that's what people.
And that's what maybe they have given you a chance.
No, I have never got chances like that. I have not been so lucky कि मुझे chance मिल गई. I have always earned what I have got. और ये खुशी मुझे है कि always I have earned what I have got. Maybe with hard work, maybe with luck, maybe with talent, but I have always earned what I have got.
And there are lady over there में बहुत से लोग struggle कर रहे हैं आज की तारीख में. Almost all female.
मुझे ये भी लगता है it is not only the ladies who are struggling, but because the ladies get those opportunities, the men are also struggling. उनको भी जो chances मिलने चाहिए.
मतलब अगर आप मेरी सीट ले लोगे, तो फिर मुझे तकलीफ होगी ना.
Men are also struggling. वो भी बुरा लगता है कि sometimes I'm not saying because of the ladies, but sometimes that preference जब आएगा, if the lady get that chance, there may be a more deserving man who is not getting that chance. वो भी बुरा लगता है. You feel bad, but it's okay.
But it's okay. Wow. मैं दो सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा।
हाँ।
फर्स्ट तो कि बहुत सी फीमेल्स आज की जनरेशन जो है उसमें से 50% या मोर देन 50% पीपल, गर्ल्स स्पेशली यंग गर्ल्स, हर एक को अपना करियर बनाना है, हर एक को कुछ ना कुछ अपने लिए खुद करना है, पाँव पे खड़ा होना है, सब कुछ है। एंड 90% in them also not, they don't get the chances and they grab those chances by compromise. What do you want to say to them?
Sadly, that's the truth. But nowadays, even when I go to address students in colleges or schools, people say make your moral grounds very strong. Make your moral grounds very strong. If you get chances through compromise or anything, you will not go sustaining a long way. You will sustain a long way only when you have that talent, when you have that hard work. एक chance, दो chance मिलेगा because there is something that they have compromised. But it is not going to be a long way. You want to make it a career, you want to go a long way, you have to have your moral ground straight. वो लोग जिन्होंने आपकी वजह से फायदा उठाया, I mean, if they have taken advantage of you, they are the same people who are going to talk about you also. So it is not going to be a long way. So get your mindset very clear. If your moral grounds, if your grounding is very strong, only then you can fly high. सिर्फ उड़ने के लिए यहाँ छोड़ के उड़ गए तो उड़ ही जाएंगे. You have to have your grounds rooted properly. ज्यादा हो गया क्या?
नहीं, बहुत हेवी मैसेज था।
Oh,
तो मुझे थोड़ा सा मेल को अगर ऐसा हेवी मैसेज मिलता हो तो थोड़ा हजम करने में टाइम लगता है।
अच्छा, आप बोलो थोड़ा कम कर देते।
नहीं, you keep doing that one. Your behavior makes many men comfortable, right? Has that comfort level crossed that limit and came to you?
Yes.
Then why are you making them so comfortable?
It is not about male or female. I make everybody around me comfortable. Even the children. I gel well with very nicely with kids. छोटे बच्चे मेरे पास बहुत comfortable है. मेरे बच्चों के friends मेरे साथ बहुत comfortable है. So it's not about the male or female gender. It's irrespective of anybody. जो भी मेरी aura में मेरी आसपास रहते हैं, they feel very comfortable. Now the only problem is when males become comfortable, they get different signs. क्योंकि not every girl talks to everybody ऐसे बिंदास. There is a filter. They think that I don't have that filter. I get close to anybody very friendly. When I say get close, I have very limited friends. I get close to everybody, but I'm not friendly with everybody. There is a difference. वो लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता.
Okay.
They think if I'm talking to somebody, अरे ये तो बहुत close हो गई है. She's going to be like close to me. That wrong signals have put me in trouble also. बहुत बार मैं भी trouble में आ चुकी हूँ. It is again your female power. They say ladies को sixth sense ज़्यादा होता है. When the approach from the other side is a little uncomfortable, not only in the physical approach, even बात करने में, देखने की नजर में, if you're not comfortable, you understand. You feel this is not something right. कट ले भाई.
निकल ले यहाँ से.
निकल ले यहाँ से. So you have to be that alert when you want to go ahead in the industry. At least for today's आज के जमाने में जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, you have to have that awareness of yourself that कहाँ जा रहा है? Is it something which is going in the right way or is it giving something wrong directions? That awareness has to be.
I'll go a little deeper with this, Ranka. You have to be aware about things और आपको sense हो ही जाता है. तो यंग लड़कियां आज की तारीख में बिंदास हो रखी हैं काफी सारी. Having boys as friends is not a bad thing, but they have lot of boys and बिंदास बात करते हैं. जब उन्हें हम बात करें, काउंसिल करते हैं कई बार, तो हम उन्हें कैसे समझाएं कि what is the limit a boy can come to you as a friend?
It's very difficult to make them understand. When you are experiencing it, we feel like हमें experience है, so we can manage it. Even if I'm talking to my kid or any college students, how will I tell them? Yeah, bindas, yeah, you can have friends as boys, but then you have to have that cut off. Now, cut off कहाँ से है? Some people can only sit and talk. वो भी restriction है. Some friends are so good that they can be together in a room, they can be on the bed, गप्पे मारो fine. फिर भी they know their limits. Now, how do we make the person understand where the limit comes in? It is quite challenging and confusing.
Still, I have seen a session के boy comes and touches you over here or at the wrong areas. You should come to be aware about it. सो बैड टच गुड टच की बात आती है या
हम
फिर
छोटे बच्चों में ये बोलते हैं कि जूनियर चिल्ड्रन को हम बुलाते हैं और बोलते हैं कि ये बैड टच है, ये गुड टच है. व्हाई डू द एडल्ट्स फॉरगेट दिस? जब बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, व्हाई डू दे फॉरगेट दैट? दैट इज आल्सो बैड टच गुड टच. व्हेन आई एम सो मच इनटू द इवेंट इंडस्ट्री, इट वेरी कॉमन दैट कोई आता है फोटो खींचने, मैम वन सेल्फी वन फोटो या कुछ के लिए आते हैं. एंड आई एम लाइक हाँ चलो चलो फोटो, ग्रुप में है ऐसे ऐसे सब कुछ. But when individually they come, no, I click pictures with them. But some people want to show in the photograph, ऐसे पकड़ लिया, कहीं और हाथ डाल दिया. I said no. ये नहीं होगा. You should know where to say no. It is required that you say when you're not comfortable, it is not comfortable. ना comfortable के मतलब it is not I am not comfortable or not. जो देखते हैं, that gives a wrong signal to people also. So even when you're wearing clothes, when you're talking about dressing up or grooming के session जब मैं लेती हूँ ना, I say wear comfortable clothes. Comfortable clothes ये नहीं कि आप comfortable, no मैम shorts में comfortable हूँ, t-shirt में comfortable हूँ, कुछ भी पहन लो. I don't even restrict my kids from wearing anything. कुछ भी पहन लो. It should be comfortable for you to wear, comfortable for the other person to look at you. So that comfort is जो आप पहन रहे हो should be comfortable for you to be, run around, sit or whatever. जो देख रहा है उसको भी comfortable होना चाहिए. It should not distract from looking at you as a person to looking at what you are wearing. So there is a difference which छोटे बच्चों में we instill, बड़े हो जाते then they feel हाँ we can't stop. उनको लगता है कि अरे हम आज के जमाने के बच्चे, we know everything. And only when they fall into problem, they'll come back running, maybe to counselors, maybe to teachers. Very rarely to parents, they come back and say, I am into trouble.
Because the clothes have become the symbol of freedom of youngsters.
Yeah.
कि कपड़े हमको ये पहनने को मिल रहा है.
Why shouldn't I wear it?
Why shouldn't I wear it? It's my freedom. And that घूमना है, boys के साथ बात करना है. It's my freedom. Who are you to stop?
Yeah.
ये symbol बन चुका है. इस symbol की mindset से कैसे निकाला जाए youngsters को?
निकालना मुश्किल है.
But you are such a leader.
You can only set a standard with example. At least for my kids, I don't tell them do this, don't do that. Maybe by looking at what your parents are doing, looking at what your seniors are doing, looking at what people at home are doing, that sets an example to them. They know my mom. Okay, me. I am a person who is social with everybody, and they know I have my limitation boundaries. I cut off where I keep it, where I don't keep it. So I think that sets an example to what they are getting. Lot of live examples set a rules for them. So शायद अगर one generation starts putting this across, maybe there will be change. It is not going to be an overnight change.
When you move ahead with such a aura and such a simple thing, I was like, जब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ इस समय पे, तो मुझे एक इंटरव्यू याद आया about Noora Fateh, and she was saying कि I am very intimating, and intimating doesn't mean getting close. Intimating means I'm open to things, but I have that control over it, right? And similar thing is looking at you, man. So sometimes that alerts the men around you कि यार ये बोल देगी, ये चिल्ला देगी, ये तो ऐसी बिंदास है ना, तो इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तो इससे मर्द सिमट जाते हैं, सहम जाते हैं.
नहीं, if you give them clear ideas that this person is going to react, तो उनके approach में भी they are a little controlled. उनको पता है एक step ज्यादा जाएगी तो this reaction is going to come the other way. So if you are clear about you are a strong person, then men are also alert how they react with you. होता है.
So again, there is a plus point of being bindas.
Not plus point. Plus minus तो हर जगह में होता है. But then there is a limit to what a person. See, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, and if you are thinking something about me or anything, it is not affecting me. ठीक है. Now when it comes expressively to me, that is when it is going to affect me. Now if I am putting my boards or guards very clearly, then you are aware and you're like, चलो यार जो दिमाग में मेरे दिमाग में रहने दो. अगर बोलूंगी तो इसका तो boom पड़ जाएगा. So if you are clear that मेरा तो इतना ही है. I am like bindas. I love talking, having fun. That's it.
And जो female आपके साथ काम करती हैं, वो जब आप आगे बढ़ते हो तो उनके भी तो जेलसी से आपको तो उनकी भी जेलसी से आपको लाइक फेस करना पड़ता होगा।
नॉट जो काम करती है, बट देर आर पीपल XYZ इसी फील्ड में होंगे या कुछ और फील्ड में होंगे. डीलिंग विद मेन्स थॉट्स आर इजियर देन डीलिंग विद विमेन्स थॉट्स.
व्हाई एंड हाउ सो?
Men are at least appreciating you and they're like, हाँ बात करना है जो भी है.
हाँ.
This jealousy factor, no, they create wrong assumptions. Like women sometimes create wrong things about women. We should actually promote women. They're like, वो तो ऐसी है ना इसलिए उसको चांस मिला है. And when women say that to another person, it becomes either genuine or I don't know, but
So वो जब ऐसी है बोलते हैं
हाँ.
और ऐसी में जो शब्द बाहर आते हैं,
कभी कभी लगता है वो क्यों बोलते हैं, बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट गॉट अ चांस टू बी वेयर आई एम और टू एनी पर्सन हु हैज गॉट दैट सक्सेस. अगर उनको भी वही चांस मिलता, अगर उनको ही वो लक मिलता, अगर उनको, दे वुड हैव एंजॉयड दैट. दे हैव नॉट गॉट इट. कहीं तो उनको नहीं मिला है, इसलिए वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन कम्स आउट एज जेलसी, कम्स आउट एज गॉसिप, कम्स आउट एज समथिंग एल्स. अगर उनको भी वही अचीवमेंट मिलता, then they would have been on the other side of the box.
तो आपको कभी हर्ट फील नहीं होता कि कोई आपको उन शब्दों से नवाजे, जैसे कि
सामने तो किसी ने मेरे सामने कभी किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला, किसी की जरूरत ऐसे बोलने की. No, but then yes, I have heard things being said. It hurts, definitely hurts. I am also human. अगर नहीं hurt हुआ तो I become God. बुरा लगता है, but very rarely I speak about it or think about it. कभी कभी I sit silent. बुरा लगता है. There are times I've cried also when I've heard.
Oh, you have cried.
हाँ.
इतनी बिंदास लड़की रोती भी है.
There are times where people have actually demotivated you. जो बहुत close के people है, maybe family people or friends, when they talk something negative, you feel bad. But then that does not stop you from achieving more. Sometimes success is the only answer that you can give. उसके बाद भी अगर you get one more step ahead and you succeed, then I feel, हाँ, I've answered that person.
Wow, wow. And why did you cry? Or which is the most darkest night? Then you cried like that.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. There are no so bad dark days that I have experienced, thankfully, in my life. But कभी-कभी crying is not actually tear down and crying. The strongest crying होता है when the tears are not coming and you're feeling bad from inside. You're just sitting by yourself and thinking, अरे यार, like, why is it happening? Anything that you want to try, something वो कुछ और ही मतलब होके आता है, that time it feels bad. So crying मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आंसू निकल रहे हैं, दिल दुखता है is also crying. But ऐसे very bad stages तो मेरी लाइफ में नहीं आया है, thankfully.
एक आया है और हमने रिसर्च भी किया है. फिर भी मैं उस सवाल को वैसे पूछता हूँ, आपने आतंक को, टेररिस्ट को, टेररिज्म को करीब से देखा है नाइजीरिया में.
हाँ. या
सो मुझे वो कहानी थोड़ी सुननी है, समझनी है, क्या हुआ था उस समय पे.
वो ऐसा भी नहीं था, मैं रो रही थी. I was like shocked. After marriage, I have stayed in Nigeria for 10 years. My husband was working with Pepsi. वो GM थे वहाँ पे. So 10 years of my life have been in Nigeria. जब भी मैं Nigeria बोलती हूँ, they're like, Nigeria, that's like there. But life has been good. अगर chance मिले फिर से जाना है तो फिर से I will go because people there are really nice. But पहली बार जब हम गए थे, when my husband had gone, I joined him with my daughter. ऐसा हुआ था कि I got to see a firing from the window. तो that दिमाग में रह गया, like, oh my God, how am I going to stay? How am I going to stay? When people are like firing in front of you or people are being dragged out of the car and looting in front of you, it's expressionless. It's like, बस उतना ही, पता नहीं क्या है. It is
actually, वो समय डर से भरा होता था जीना. घर से बाहर निकल पाते थे.
हाँ. और मुझे पता है कि फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने वेंट मोपो पुलिस, वहाँ पे गनमैन बोलते हैं. They used to be in our car. अगर मार्केट जाके धनिया भी लेना है, टमाटर भी लेना है, कुछ भी लेना है तो there is मोपो पुलिस in your car. Like ऐसे बिंदास आके लेके नहीं जा सकते. But that was only in the initial days. Then we shifted to another city which was more secured. But I have seen that fear also. Like, oh my God, how do people live there? We are so blessed. हमें लगता है we are so much blessed. इतना टेंशन फ्री लाइफ जीते हैं. So we are much.
किस एज में आपने पहली बार स्टेज पे कदम रखा था?
साल नहीं हुआ था.
साल भी नहीं हुआ था?
नहीं. I went to stage first time जब मैं 6 महीने की बेबी थी.
हाँ.
मम्मी तो हमेशा बोलती है तुझे 6 महीने में स्टेज पे डाला था. Like I was put on stage for a healthy baby contest. तब मैं थोड़ा गोलू मोलू बन के अच्छी थी.
हाँ.
अब भी अच्छी हूँ लेकिन गोलू मोलू नहीं हूँ. But I won the healthy baby competition when I was 6 months old. That is my first prize that I got. उसके बाद it was a regular thing that from the time I got my senses and started getting on stage, हर चीज में I was pushed. I was actually literally pushed. ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे डांसिंग पसंद था, बातें करना पसंद था, कुछ पसंद नहीं था. On the contrary, my sister used to like doing everything. मुझे कुछ पसंद नहीं था. I was like literally forced to go everywhere, and my mom has really like pushed me from everything, from fashion show, रंगोली है तो जाओ, elocution है तो जाओ. Like क्यों करना है सब कुछ? Fancy dress है तो जाओ 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 जाओ. They were literally pushed. लेकिन अब लग रहा है कि because she has pushed me for so many things, now anything comes in, I'm like ready. चलो बात करनी है ready, डांस करना है ready, ये करना है ready.
Wow.
So that push is really required when you are younger.
And पहली कमाई स्टेज से कब आई थी?
I'm not saying बड़ी कमाई हुई, but छोटी छोटी कमाई I started when I was in high school only. हाँ, I used to do choreography for dances. हमारी एक dance troupe थी, all girls dance troupe. It was called as the Golden Girls. We were all friends who loved to dance. तो पहले तो ऐसे स्कूल से जाते थे, स्कूल के टीम, सौजन्य इंडियन टीम एंड ऑल. देन वन ऑफ द कंपटीशन वी वन अ गोल्ड कॉइन. तो उसके बाद वी टर्म्ड आवरसेल्फ एज गोल्डन गर्ल्स. तो अभी भी तब के डांसर्स अगर है ना, यू आर फ्रॉम गोल्डन गर्ल्स नो. और रेमो का एक फ्लूट म्यूजिक था, टटरा टरा टटरा. दैट वाज आवर पेटेंटेड एंड फेवरेट सॉन्ग. सो जहां पे भी हम जाते थे वी यूज्ड टू विन द कंपटीशन. And we became a professional dance troupe which we used to go and give performances for programs and all. So choti moti kamai I started from my high school only. And for passion again I started tab cable TV shuru hui thi. So used to come on TV. Otherwise it was only Doordarshan and national channels. So local channels had just started. So I used to do this small time anchoring या कुछ reporting है. We are reporting from here या ये कुछ 2-3 मिनट का भी प्रोग्राम है या half an hour का प्रोग्राम है. Those programs I used to do. So that earning had started when I was in high school and QC में early.
और उसी में जो आपका बिंदास नेचर था तो आपको वहां से मजा भी आ रहा था काम
I
करने
think
में.
because of that exposure only I became like comfortable with the camera, comfortable with talking to people. वो exposure आया.
और इसकी वजह से आपके माँ बाप के अंदर डर आ गया तो तभी आपकी शादी जल्दी करा दी. उनको डर आ गया ये इतनी बिंदास सब जगह काम कर रही है तो कहीं भाग ना जाए घर से.
ये रिसर्च कहाँ से लेके आए?
अब हमने भी कुछ कर ली मेहनत थोड़ी बहुत.
नहीं भागेंगे तो नहीं. I was very clear that जब भी मम्मी पापा बोलेंगे I'm going to have an arranged marriage. This is maybe my kind of a trust or a tribute that I'm giving to my parents for giving me so much of exposure, so much of freedom. क्योंकि लड़कियों के I mean 20 years, 25 years back. अभी एज मत गिनो, बट 20-25 years बैक लड़कियों को इतना भी फ्रीडम नहीं था कि कोई प्रोग्राम में जाओ 1 बजे वापस आओ, लड़कों के साथ डांस में स्टेज पे डांस करो, टीवी में जाओ. It was developing. The thought was developing, but so much भी progressive नहीं था. And we being both sisters, we were given that privilege to go everywhere. So unknowingly or knowingly, I was like, I'm going to do arranged marriage. जो मम्मी पापा बोलेंगे तब जब बोलेंगे. बट नहीं पता था कि 20 की एज में ही शादी करा देंगे.
So you're married by 20 itself.
Yeah, 20 years में शादी हो गई थी.
अफसोस है खुशी है? नहीं
खुशी है लेकिन काफी लोगों को अफसोस हुई थी.
उन काफी लोगों के बारे में तो बहुत कुछ बात कर चुके हैं, थोड़ी और कर लेते हैं.
नहीं करनी है.
तो वो जब आपकी 20 की शादी हुई तो ऐसा कौन सा दिल जला था जो बेचारा रो रहा होगा?
शायद अभी भी रो रहा है.
अभी तो बहुत सारे रो रहे हैं, हमने देखे हैं।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट
हाँ।
एवरीबडी टुक इट बाय सरप्राइज कि क्या हो गया. सो मेनी पीपल केम एंड सेड कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ क्या, इसीलिए शादी कर रहे हैं. वो भी हुआ था. देन दे लाइक लव मैरिज है क्या, दैट्स व्हाई यू नो, बट इट वाज अ प्योरली अरेंज्ड मैरिज. माय हस्बैंड सुधीर, he was already working for Coca-Cola, proper MNC company में settled, घर है, दहेज नहीं चाहिए, well family है. The family was agreeing for me to continue my studies. So वो हमारे यहाँ पे जातक वातक, वो एस्ट्रोलॉजी देखते हैं, वो भी प्रॉपर है. So my parents are like बहुत अच्छा है. The boy has a lot of demand, so and that is coming to you is like okay.
So 20 की एज में शादी हो गई, पढ़ाई फिर कैसे की आपने?
कंटिन्यू किया. आई वाज स्टडिंग इन बैंगलोर, ही वाज
हाँ.
वर्किंग इन बैंगलोर. तो मेरा वीकेंड हनीमूनिंग था. एवरी फ्राइडे नाइट को बस लेती थी, बैंगलोर जाती थी. सैटरडे संडे विद हस्बैंड. संडे नाइट को बस लेती थी, वापस आती थी. मंडे टू फ्राइडे कॉलेज मम्मी के घर में.
तो फिर
So
जो
almost-
गर्ल्स में जो गर्ल्स गैंग था आपका, उन्हें लगता होगा ये तो बहुत मजा है, मैं भी
हाँ,
कर लेती हूँ शादी.
हाँ, लेकिन किसी ने नहीं की, सिर्फ मैंने की. बट इट वाज क्वाइट गुड. 1 साल तक ऐसे ही चला. फ्रॉम कॉलेज आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल बैंगलोर अप एंड डाउन.
हाँ, एंड देन देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच हमारा रिसर्च को इस बारे में पता चला, जब हमको पता चल गया 20 की एज में शादी कर ली इन्होंने, माँ बाप जो डर गए थे. लेकिन एक इंस्पिरेशन बात ये भी थी, मैं आपको बताता हूँ स्टोरी. बहुत अर्ली एज में पढ़ाई करते करते, बिकॉज शी वॉज गॉट मैरिड, यू गॉट प्रेग्नेंट ड्यूरिंग योर एजुकेशन एंड यू स्टिल कंटिन्यूड योर एजुकेशन. खुद ही मतलब जाके एक्टिवा पे कॉलेज जाना आना, मदरहुड को डेवलप करना और पढ़ाई भी कंप्लीट करना. एंड आई थिंक कॉलेज वाज अबाउट लॉ.
Yeah, law college. I was doing my law.
सो लॉ जैसी हार्ड एजुकेशन को मदरहुड के साथ किया. ये कहानी थोड़ी अच्छे से समझेगी, मतलब बिट बाय बिट समझेगा डिटेल में, क्योंकि मैं चाहूंगा कि इससे बहुत सारी लड़कियां ये कहे. मैंने देखा है बहुतों को कि अगर वो प्रेग्नेंट हो गए या शादी के बाद उनकी प्रायोरिटी में चेंज आता है, या तो उन्होंने पढ़ाई छोड़ दी, करियर छोड़ दिया. बच्चा जब तक बड़ा ना हो, 5 साल 10 साल तक उन्होंने मुड़कर अपने करियर की तरफ नहीं देखा, एंड देन दे रीस्टार्टेड, or somebody even that didn't even restart it.
Never came back.
So I want to know that small bits of that 21 साल की लड़की पढ़ाई भी कर रही है और मदरहुड को भी डेवलप कर रही है.
That was a very nice journey of my 4th year. अभी भी प्रिंसिपल जब बोलेंगे ना, they say if you come back with your daughter को 4th year हम पास कराएंगे, क्योंकि वो पूरे क्लास में रही है. She's heard the whole classes. And Saujanya is one person who will never allow or compromise for dance. कहीं पे भी dance है तो she's there. So every year dance competition है तो I'm there. So the 4th year when I did not give my name for the dance competition, people were like, अरे नाम क्यों नहीं दे रही? And then they knew I was pregnant. So 3-4 महीने हो गया था. Usually you don't understand with the पट्टा में chain cover करके. So the classes were going on. But the only hitch came up when it was the later days, after 7 months. उसके बाद थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. So college तो जा रही थी, ऊपर नीचे walking slowly आराम से सब चल रहा था. But then mummy went to tell my principal कि she will take a break. इस बार एग्जाम्स देना नहीं होगा. she'll come back maybe next year with like law college में वो है backlogs लेके, you can answer it the next year.
ATKT बोलते हैं हमारे.
हाँ, so you can take it over the next time. So principal said, no, anything that we have to support her with, we will do. But let her try to finish it because she's a good student. So my last exam, my exams were there, final exams of 4th year. वो 3rd floor में थे. So just for me, the principal and the management gave me an option of writing the exam in the hall, नीचे. So there was a teacher, luckily she was also pregnant at the same time. So she was doing the invigilating, वो देखना. And I was the only one in that big hall sitting and writing my exam. और सब ऐसे देख रहे थे जैसे Zoom में देखेंगे ना. एक टीचर देख रही है, एक चीज I am writing. But my last exam was on Saturday and Sunday I delivered.
Wow. Wow.
I still can't, I don't know how it happened. It's like जो बोलते हैं भगवान की दया है, मिरेकल है. Saturday I wrote my exam, Sunday I delivered. So my actual exam happened on Sunday,
हाँ.
and I got my daughter as the result.
Wow.
It was Labor Day. May 1st को मैं labor में चली गई.
So wow, like motherhood and such a struggle and becomes beautiful after the time.
Yeah, I think when your family and friends are there to support you, I will
तो
never
मुश्किल
say,
तो होती
I
होगी.
will not say it as a struggle, but it was an experience. ऐसे
तो मुश्किल तो
you
होती
cannot
होगी
sit
ना.
in the class ऐसे ना.
मुश्किल नहीं हुई
हाँ
आपको?
हाँ होती थी. My mama used to give ये नारियल का पानी and all with my friend.
हाँ.
उसको दे दो बीच में, वो तो नहीं पिएगी. Like
हाँ.
energy चाहिए and all that. अगर घर में हो तो they do pampering. So much of pampering होता है ना. But
Wow.
all that was not. But it is a nice experience. I will always cherish that. Yeah.
और फिर 2 महीने की बच्ची को लेके आप नाइजीरिया चले गए बंदूकों के बीच
नहीं
में.
एक्चुअली मैं 4th ईयर में थी. एक और साल
अच्छा
था.
एक साल
एक
के
और
बच्चे
साल
को.
था. हाँ तो 2 months रेस्ट किया. 5th ईयर की फर्स्ट डे में फिर से प्रकट हो गई कॉलेज में.
अरे
लाइक
वाह.
तू मशीन है क्या? इट वाज सो सिस्टमैटिक बट देन गॉड्स ग्रेस एवरीथिंग फेल इन प्लेस. 5th ईयर की स्टडीज भी किया. आई यूज्ड टू अर्ली मॉर्निंग फीड द बेबी गो बैक. उठ गए तो मैसेज आता है. पेजेस रहते थे तभी. देन आई कम बैक. सो 1 year it was nice.
Wow.
And I did my
So inspiring
law
that
college.
मतलब 21 साल की लड़की अगर मदरहुड को इस तरह से कर सकती है तो 40 की उम्र में कितनी लीडरशिप आ गई होती है ऑटोमेटिकली. और वो हम देख भी रहे हैं आपके साथ. तो दैट्स वंडरफुल कि बचपन से ही आप उस तरीके से ट्रेंड हो गए लगता
हाँ
है.
शायद. That exposure and the support that you get from your family, I think that adds
मैं
value.
छोटा सा सवाल, मेरे क्यूरियोसिटी आ गया. हमारे में कहा जाता है गर्भ संस्कार, और आपके गर्भ में आपकी बेटी को लॉ कॉलेज की पढ़ाई मिली है. तो उसका इफेक्ट दिखता है बच्ची में?
लॉ कॉलेज का इफेक्ट?
हाँ. या उस माहौल का, या उस समय की जो फ्रेंडशिप की भी थी, या जो मस्ती आपने की साथ साथ में, हाँ, और पढ़ाई भी की, उसका कभी आपको आपके बच्चे में उसका असर दिखा?
Both my kids are more on my husband. थोड़ा reserved, थोड़ा कम बात करते. Look wise, everything like पक्का पापा के जैसे. But now that my daughter is growing up, she's gone to Bangalore, she's in a college. She's like, Mama, आपकी थोड़ी जीन्स मुझ में आ रही है. Now she's opening up, she's becoming more expressive. तो शायद अब आ रहे हैं whatever.
प्लीज उसकी शादी 20 में मत करा देना.
तो वो खुद ही बोल रही है, मम्मा आपने 20 में शादी की. Thankfully law has changed. I can't get married at least till 21. नहीं. No force. अभी तो बच्चे they know what their priorities are. They themselves know that being financially independent, being stable is much more important, and compatibility in a life partner is what they will look at, and I will always support. Not only my बच्चे, कोई भी किसी का बच्चा भी आएगा तो I will be supportive.
So do you believe in spirituality?
Spirituality, I am not a person who will go to temple. ऐसा नहीं कि रोज मंदिर. हमारे घर में रोज दिया जलाना, भगवान की प्रार्थना करना. Husband does this.
अच्छा.
It is surprising every time, but my husband is the one who takes care of the
I can imagine how Sudhish sir would be praying to God कि इतनी सुंदर बीवी है और इतनी बिंदास है, भगवान प्लीज बचाते रहना, भगवान प्लीज बचाते रहना. रोज प्रार्थना करते हैं, रोज शाम को बोलते हैं हाँ थैंक यू गॉड.
अगर ये वो पॉडकास्ट देखेंगे ना तो आज लास्ट मनीष का नंबर दे देगा.
I did it for you sir, this one. Yeah, I brought it this question for you only sir. And मैंने ये भी सुना like you don't believe in spirituality.
No, I am not a non-believer. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं भगवान को नहीं मानती हूँ.
But बहुत strong, deeper नहीं जाते हैं इसको.
It's there. First time I get up in the morning, this comes automatically.
हाँ. And that's it.
So it is not that I have to go to the mandir, ऐसे पूजा करना ये. But I believe in that destiny, that जो होना है होता है.
So not that core धार्मिक type.
हाँ धार्मिक. इसके लिए मैं व्रत रखूंगी, Thursday veg खाऊंगी, ये सब नहीं है. But I have very strong faith that what I believe, something has to happen. There are 2-3 deities that I follow. Like we have something like Koragajja हमारे यहाँ पे. अगर कुछ चाहिए तो I'm like please Koragajja, please get this happen. ऐसा होता है. So I am a convent student from KG to 12th, all girls convent school, Saint Agnes, a very proud Agnesian. So अगर कुछ भी है तो I will like our father जल्दी आएगा, then कुछ श्लोक आएगा. So it is not about which religion, it is the faith that you have. And I very strongly believe in faith and
that superpower.
Superpower, yes.
Yes. you don't do so much of spiritual act,
हाँ,
much of
हाँ.
it. फिर भी सुधीर जी के अंदर में आपने एक हीरो को देखने के लिए उनके लिए व्रत रखे हैं करवा चौथ का. ये मैसेज मेरे पास आ गया था कि ये सवाल पूछना ये सवाल आप क्यों किया ऐसा मेरे साथ.
अरे ऐसे भी कि क्यों किया रे, शादी जल्दी हो गई थी
हाँ
20 में. I mean, at that time you are so influenced with films and all that.
हाँ
And DDLJ का जमाना था. And DDLJ का that Karwa Chauth ka scene is so like popular.
हाँ
And for us in South, in Mangalore, in Karnataka, we don't do Karwa Chauth. We have other festivals which they do. They fast for the husband. They fast for getting a good husband. वो भी करते हैं.
हाँ.
Which I've never done anything. I got a good husband. But after the marriage, everybody is like, hey, Karwa Chauth rakhna hai. And then like, newly married, DDLJ ka effect hai. So I started keeping Karwa Chauth from the first year of my marriage only. So first year, Sudhir was also like, ye kya hai? I said, nahi, chup. Chand ko dekhna hai, aapko dekhna hai, pani pilao, khana khilao. Then he was only like, Karwa Chauth karna hai. He knows what to do. When we shifted to Nigeria, when we had that place there, we had a lot of North Indian friends. So जो सब करवा चौथ करती थी. हाँ. करवा चौथ के लिए मेहंदी लगाओ, वो थाली सजाओ and all that. So then that was, I enjoyed it. So they also didn't feel ये कहीं साउथ से आई है, कुछ नहीं पता है. So I was like enjoying that thing. But Karwa Chauth is something which I started actually because of Shah Rukh Khan in DDLJ.
Wow. So Shah Rukh Khan is not even the romantic icon for the youngsters, but also for the ladies helping male to remain long life. And Sudhir ji, for you, हम लोग लेडीज के लिए करवा चौथ है कि मेरा पति लंबी उम्र जिए, और जेंट्स के लिए है कि जीने भी नहीं देती है और करवा चौथ करके मरने भी नहीं देती है.
कुछ भी. लेकिन आजकल की करवा चौथ में मैंने देखा है, if the wife is fasting, husbands भी फास्ट करते हैं. Sudhir has never fasted for me. ये भी बोल दो पॉडकास्ट में, कभी तो फास्ट कर ले मेरे लिए.
सर सुन लीजिए आप एक बार, वरना मेरा पॉडकास्ट वायरल नहीं करेगी.
ये काट सकते हैं.
That's okay. Why you cut that? हाँ. I saw just today morning one reel from Kapil Sharma. हाँ. Female are doing Karwa Chauth just for being in the social society. हाँ. और इतनी भूख लगती है ना कि वो डिश जो होता था ना, उसको चांद मान के देख के खा लेती. ऐसा भी किस्सा one of the celebrity has done that way.
क्या देख के?
डिश एंटीना नहीं होता था?
अच्छा वो राउंड वाला.
Yes.
See, I did it for fun. शाहरुख खान की वजह से, DDLJ की वजह से, I did it for fun. But जो भी आप करते हो, do it शिद्दत से. Don't do it just because somebody else is doing, just because you have to do it. If you do it मन से, then it has value. कोई और कर रहा है या मुझे करना है इसीलिए अगर कर रहे, there is no essence of what you're doing. So जो भी डिश देख के कर रहे, then sorry, करवा चौथ का व्रत पूरा नहीं हुआ है. It does not serve the purpose.
That happens sometimes, but मस्ती मजाक में हो जाता है कभी-कभार.
There are people who fast also, no? गुरुवार को नहीं खाते, Friday को नहीं खाते, वेज नहीं खाते. I have a cousin couple. मेरी cousin Thursday को नहीं खाती है. So she does not eat non-veg on Thursday, and husband does not eat non-veg on Friday. So she waits till 12 o'clock हो जाए and she can eat. If you're having in a family gathering, 12 बजे के बाद खाऊंगी, like चलो. And the husband eats early ताकि 12 बजे के बाद नहीं खा सकते. So then that does not actually give the essence of what you're doing it for it.
So now let's talk about your achievements as a profession.
Okay.
शुरुआत में स्टेज से काम किए?
हाँ.
तो स्टेज के अंदर में आप एंकर बने, और एंकर बनते
actually dancer turned anchor. So पहले तो I was a dancer. I'm a trained Bharatnatyam dancer. I have done Yakshagana. That is again a unique art form from our place.
What is that called?
Yakshagana.
थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बताइए इसके बारे में.
Yakshagana is a तुलुनाडु का form of art. The Karavali Karnataka जो है ना, it is we call it Gandukale. Gandukale is an art for male. Gandu is male. Very rarely the girls used to do it. Now the new generation girls do it, but at that time very rarely girls used to perform. My dad is a staunch follower and a great follower of Yakshagana, and he wanted both both of us to learn Yakshagana. He hired a trainer. घर में आके हमें सिखाते थे and I used to go and perform Yakshagana. It is an inclusive of आपको डांस भी आना चाहिए, एक्शंस भी हो, एक्सप्रेशन भी हो, उसका डायलॉग डिलीवरी भी है. सो नाटक, डांस सब मिला के अगर कुछ आर्ट फॉर्म है, दैट इज यक्षगाना.
वाह. और आपने इस आर्ट फॉर्म को नाइजीरिया में लेकर गए थे.
हाँ,
वहां पे भी एक स्टूडियो खोला था.
वहां पे भरतनाट्यम एंड कल्चरल फॉर्म्स का डांस क्लासेस लेती थी फॉर द इंडियन चिल्ड्रन एंड इवन देवर नाइजीरियन एंड वहां के बच्चे जो सीखते थे. दैट वाज नाइस.
नाइस फन.
Yeah.
और फिर वापस आपको इंडिया आके वापस अपने आप को एस्टैब्लिश किया.
फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच.
From the scratch.
Yeah.
Okay. मतलब कैसे?
क्योंकि यहाँ
क्या
पे
तकलीफ
तो
आई?
आई वॉज ऑलरेडी नोन, फिल्म कर चुकी थी, मॉडलिंग थी, डांसर थी, एंकरिंग शुरू कर रही थी. शादी हो गई, सब पैकअप करके वापस गए.
Okay.
नाइजीरिया में 10 साल रही हूँ.
हाँ.
So in 10 years, slowly I was building up my own world there also.
हाँ.
With the support of husband, with people supporting me, I put up a dance institute. I was teaching Bharatnatyam. I was doing a freestyle for ladies, fitness dancing. वहाँ पे Lebanese club था, वहाँ पे work कर रही थी. I had put up a Indian beauty parlor there. So I was quite busy with the kids. Kids were also growing. I was also growing.
हाँ.
Suddenly in 2014-15, we said बच्चों को वापस आना चाहिए because we believe the roots are somewhere here.
Okay.
And after some time बच्चों को वापस लाना भी मुश्किल है. They want to stay there or go.
हाँ.
So we said, we'll this. So when I came back again, I was like on zero. 10 साल में लोग भी भूल चुके हैं. They not भूल चुके हैं, but if you are seen, you're seen. Out of sight, out of mind. They will not realize that you're back into track.
Okay.
So then I had to start again कि क्या करना है.
Wow.
Then again I came back to the anchoring field.
और एंकरिंग करके आपने बहुत बड़े-बड़े स्टार्स के साथ मैच स्टेज शेयर किया है.
हाँ.
Right? So one was this champion Chris Gayle.
Chris Gayle, yeah. Chris Gayle was again because of my kids only. I am not a very cricket person.
हाँ.
मुझे तो सिर्फ जडेजा पता है from my college days.
मैं उस पे भी आऊंगा. मेरे पास है उसका भी एक आइडिया.
Oh shit. Okay, I'm not a very cricket person. आजकल I do a little research about cricket just for my trainings.
हाँ.
Like I know Sachin is a good player. I know Dhoni is a very good captain.
हाँ.
These are things which I pick up only for my training purpose. जो theoryly बोलती हूँ. Others I'm not a very cricket person. एक बार एक birthday के लिए I was going to host and I get a call that I have to host another event where Chris Gayle is coming. And I was telling my kids like a big birthday है और Chris Gayle भी कर. Mama, Chris Gayle. I'm like, हाँ Chris Gayle. Like, what is Chris Gayle? Like, Mama, bravo, champion, Chris Gayle आ रहा है. I'm like, okay, is it something big? It was actually big. My God, now when I look back, I was interviewing Chris Gayle. It is actually nice. So I got to share a lot of stages with
recently with
I have done
Baba.
interviews with Honey Singh, Kunal Ganjawala, KK, and definitely Karnataka ke many stars I get a privilege to do. But the best one is Sanju Baba ki Jappi. जो अभी recently हुआ है. And that was again by chance. I never expected I'm going to ask him for a Jappi. हमारा conversation ही अलग था. I and Hasrar, my friend, we were hosting this. And we had planned कि ये करेंगे, circuit का dialogue बुलवाएंगे, मुन्ना पाई से ये करवाएंगे. काफी कुछ planned था. And the crowd was so much. हर जगह से लोग बाबा संजू बाबा. And it was just presence of mind. मैंने कहा संजू बाबा सबकी तरफ से एक जादू की चप्पी मुझे मिलेगी. एंड संजू बाबा वाज लाइक आजा.
So is that like Sanju Baba's craze Mangalore में इतना है?
Sanjay Dutt is a big name, I think, everywhere. Even we didn't realize till people were going crazy about him. But Mangalore में we have that stars वाला crave, that craze is there. कोई भी star आता है, there is a big crowd. Lot of stars come in and perform and all. And we always appreciate and acknowledge artists. It's not that star है इसीलिए, but he's an artist. That is what we appreciate.
And you're into this showbiz world.
Yeah.
So your crush was the cricketer, Ajay Jadeja.
Yeah.
क्रिकेट के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है, but crush अजय जडेजा.
Yeah, I mean, पता नहीं. That was like we had even printed T-shirt of Ajay Jadeja.
What? When?
College में थी.
हाँ.
Not even law. I think law college. School. जब भी क्रिकेट के बारे में पता है, I only know Ajay Jadeja. And one more from Australia, one guy was Shane Warne.
हाँ, so अजय जाडेजा के लिए क्या किया आपने फिर?
अजय जडेजा का टी-शर्ट बनाया. I had so many posters of him. Oh God. अगर ये पॉडकास्ट जाके अजय जडेजा मैसेजेस बैक नो, like Manish, I'll come back to Surat again.
Sure, done. हम कैसे भी करके अजय सर के पास में आपका ये मैसेज पहुंचा देंगे.
One big crazy for Ajay Jadeja. I don't know what. It is not about his playing or just you look at Ajay. I went to a stadium to see a cricket match to see Ajay Jadeja. फिलहाल तो मुझे वहां पे अजय जडेजा सब हिल रहे थे, मुझे पता नहीं चला अजय जडेजा कहाँ पे था. I know he was dancing but ula la 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 la. That one thing was famous that time. So he came to the boundary and he did that. That I know. But I went to a stadium to see Ajay Jadeja.
So crazy, still so crazy.
Yeah. Still he's there. Nice.
Then after this you got a shows into TV shows आपने किए.
Yeah.
Anchoring के करते करते TV shows किए. So was it about big channels? What is about big shows?
I entered my career with Namma TV, which I still do. Dr. Shivsharan Shetty, he's the director. He gave me a chance to work on the back end, on admin and all. And when a reality show came up, finally it was like we were searching for anchor. Why not you only do? So that's how I stepped back into the anchoring field. And I always give credit to the channel. So even today I do their reality shows, interviews.
So that is a local channel.
It's a local channel, not so local anymore. When it started, it was only to Mangalore. Now it is more of Karnataka. And the YouTube series go worldwide. So we have people of our community seeing it in Dubai or wherever and giving appreciation. So Namma TV is a channel which I do.
And you rejected some big channels opportunity.
Yeah. I had got calls from satellite channels. Initially, when I had shifted and had started my career, they said you'll have to shift to Bangalore. We have shows which you can host. But at that time, I think I took it lightly. I don't regret, but kahi to lagega, shit, I should have taken that up that time. Unhone bole you have to shift to Bangalore. And I was like, no, I have shifted from Nigeria to Bangalore. मेरे बच्चों की वजह से. And now बच्चों को छोड़ के I don't want to shift and all that. So I actually missed out that opportunity. अगर मैं लेती तो I would have seen myself somewhere little ahead in a channel. Somewhere ahead.
अगर वो उन्होंने अपॉर्चुनिटी ली होती तो आज हमारे साथ तो नहीं होते.
अरे शायद बहुत जल्दी आ जाती आपके यहाँ पे.
तब तो मैंने चैनल शुरू नहीं किया होता. Okay. हम कहाँ रह गए? Yes. After that, then you got chances in movies.
Actually, movies, I have done my first movie when I was in my PU, like before the wedding.
Oh wow!
So when I was in college, St. Agnes में मैं पढ़ रही थी. That time I did my first movie. It is called Maya Jinke. Jinke is deer. Yeah. Maya is magical deer.
Oh wow!
So that is what they still in college also they used to cheat out me. Jinke Mari, they used to call. So that is there. So I was Miss Mangalore then. I was crowned Miss Mangalore in 2001. And that is the time I did my first movie also. Movie has never been my professional approach. Aaj bhi if anybody says, would you want to come and join us professionally for something which, but passion था कि ये भी करना है, तो
who was the hero, first hero?
Shobraj is a name in Kannada industry, so he was my hero then, that time.
Oh wow! So then you didn't went much ahead of that?
तब तो एक ही किया था. Then I didn't want to do more. But after I came back, I did a couple of more movies. Tulu में Bullilu किया था. Then Jeevana Chakra किया था. And recently what I did was Dei Bai Deti. That again came by chance. It is a very historical movie, real life story, which I played the lead role. And we even got state awards for it in our film awards. Now I want that to be the name that I will be associated with. ऐसे film करना है इसीलिए कुछ में भी जाके काम नहीं करना है.
So what you're looking for movie? What kind of scripts you're looking for now?
I'm not looking for scripts at all. But if something comes where even if it's a small role, it is going to make a difference in the movie or it's going to make a difference in my perception or my portrayal, I will definitely do. If something is nice.
And then any calls from chances from Bollywood?
Bollywood, no. Not yet. I'm waiting if Sanju Baba calls me back again.
So, if some chance come from Bollywood, you want to go against with, मतलब you want to be part of, किसकी हीरोइन बनना चाहेंगे आप?
शाहरुख खान की एटलीस्ट एक करवा चौथ की सीन तो कर लो उसके साथ.
Now then, for that, maybe for not happening that, Sudhiji is still praying. Right. So Shahrukh Khan sir, there is a big fan of yours waiting to do just one scene of Karwa Chauth for that. What kind of scripts, if Bollywood comes up, what kind of movies that you like to do that कि ये scene मैं कर सकती हूँ?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, anything that is challenging, but I like more of art movies or something on a slow genre where you can actually show what you can portray. Fast movies तो it's running. I think people who are
Your basic
kindred.
nature is someone like Jab We Met की Kareena Kapoor.
True.
True, right?
Two people, like two characters I can connect. Like many people have told me also, and I feel it's true. One is Jab We Met की Kareena. At least the first half of it. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Like actually,
Exactly.
I like love myself. Like,
और उसमें एक सीन है, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ कि नहीं. वो एक लड़के ने हाथ पकड़ के उसको ट्रेन में खींचा, और बेचारा हाथ ही नहीं छोड़ रहा है. एंड करीना सेज कि अब तो छोड़ दो, मैं इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ. आपके साथ ऐसा कभी हुआ है? हुआ है तो हमें जानना है.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं हुआ है, but some people are like going on like तारीफें like बस हो गया. अभी इतना भी नहीं है कि आप इतना भी तारीफ करो, कुछ नहीं है. Because I don't like when people get impressed only with the features. They see you, they get inspired you because of your talent, your
aura.
That is different. But just looking at you, somebody gets impressed, and that is like.
नहीं, पर होता ही होगा. फिर भी आप इतनी when you talk and when you speak, your eyes are mesmerizing. तो ऐसा कोई तो पागल दीवाना मिला ही होगा, हाथ पकड़ के यस मैम हाथ छोड़े ही ना.
ऐसा नहीं है, but हाँ होता है कभी-कभी
होता है. And that makes you like blush, or that makes you like रुक जा भाई, यहाँ सब है.
नहीं सब है नहीं, but makes you conscious कि क्या कर रहा है. Like exactly. It is funny at times. It is not that wow kind of a feeling. It's funny कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है.
So there would be guys. Okay, yeah. Let me ask this question. मेरे मन में आई बात.
पता नहीं क्या क्या आता है आपके मन में.
Even I am a thinker, और मेरे को तो आपके जैसे आप बात करेंगे, मेरे मन से और सवाल निकलेंगे. चलो. तो किसी यंग लड़के ने, आपसे 10 साल छोटे उम्र के लड़के ने, भाभी जी घर में है वाला ट्राई किया है आपके ऊपर?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but I get friendly with people, no? So definitely younger boys feel comfortable to talk to me without knowing I am elder to them. And even if they know I'm elder to them, it doesn't matter to them.
लेकिन जब उन्हें पता चलता होगा, बेचारों का दिल टूट जाता होगा.
ऐसे मैं दिल तोड़ने वाली नहीं हूँ. I don't break hearts. अपने आप में तोड़ लिया तो मैं क्या करूँ? मैं तो
खुद ही जाके कांच तोड़ के आ गए ऐसे.
तो they can't blame it for me, but
yes. And then after movies, after from anchor to TV shows to movies, इस बीच में एक opportunity आपको आई थी Mrs. India बनने का, right?
Yeah.
इस तो Mrs. India वाली कहानी थोड़ा बताइए.
Again, that was by chance, like by chance. ऐसे I was scrolling out on Facebook when I came back and settled in India after the Nigeria. Scroll कर रही थी तो यहाँ पे Hot Mom Mrs. India you can apply आया था. So I simply randomly applied.
Hot Mom Miss India, Mrs. India.
Hot Mom नहीं, Hot Mond Mrs. India. That's the name of the Hot Mom नहीं. But I just applied. I got selected. अब select होने के बाद I had to go to Bangalore. Now I had not said I'd applied only. मम्मी को भी नहीं बोला था, husband को भी नहीं बोला था, सासू माँ को भी नहीं बोला था, किसी को भी नहीं बोला था. मैंने तो ऐसे apply किया. Then I got selected. Now जाते जाते तो बोलना पड़ेगा. Then I told my husband I've applied for something like this. मम्मी पापा तो are like comfortable. I went to Bangalore. Bangalore auditions भी clear हो गया. Auditions clear हो गया. Then I was the top 50 people who would be traveling to Delhi and Delhi to Vietnam. Then I told everybody at home that I'm going for a competition like this. Went. The whole journey was very nice. I think that was one of the turning points in my life for reinventing myself. The confidence and the experience that I got has definitely been a long, big um, add-on to my experience as a woman, inspiring other women. So that has been a good journey. Wape, I didn't win the crown. I always will say I didn't win the crown, but I won the hearts of so many. I won Mrs. Popular title. So that's a title which people type. So even if that main title did not come to me, Mrs. Popular title came to me. I was a top 5 contestant. So I'm like, I came back with a lot of memories and a lot of confidence.
And then you came to Mangalore and you implicated a small model of that
Yes.
to inspire
Yes.
many girls for
Yes,
that. Right?
yes. I did the replication of Mrs. India Worldwide to Mrs. Mangalore. I was a show director of a pageant called Mrs. Mangalore, and I tried my best to get the same people who gave us training, like makeup and walk and all. We got the same people.
Wow.
On a that budget was too much, and so many people don't get this privilege of spending so much, getting permission from their husband, getting leave from their office, getting permission from their in-laws, and going against all odds and getting that experience. I thought I should be a bridge between that gap which they cannot.
And from
go.
there, your leadership journey started.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So then later you joined Lions and JCI.
Yeah, Lions I was always there. My parents have been in Lions from 1989 since I was child. So that Lionism has always been in me, and I'm still a part of the Lions journey, and I feel proud of it. But what came on the way was JC's, Junior Chamber International.
Let people know what Junior Chamber International is in just 1 or 2 lines, so that people can know more about it.
If you have to say in one word, JCI is a world of opportunity. The only organization which gives you personality development. I've been a part of Lions, Rotary, many other organizations where they do service, where they do community development, they're this. But this is one thing which empowers you. हम बोलते हैं ना, अगर glass को fill करना है, you have to be a full glass. So this helps you fill up your glass. You empower yourself first, and then you start pouring into other glass. अगर आप ही खाली हो, तो फिर से आपको भरना है, you don't have anything in yourself. So this is one organization which fills you up not only in leadership, confidence, systems. It's added a lot of value to my life. Even professionally as an anchor, it has given me a lot of
and then you slowly up to the ladder within a short period of time. You have reached to nationals of JCI.
Yes.
How is the experience? Just thoda sa.
Wonderful. I was a LO president in 2018, then first lady zone president of our zone in 2021. Again, I'm very happy for that I was not a chosen one. I stood for elections, fought elections and came. So that is what I always say. Ladies should not say, "Arey, mujhe bhi chance de do, mujhe bhi chance de do." ऐसे पूछ के मांगने के लिए there is no value to it. When you get it because you have earned it, there is value to it. So I always like, मैं election जीत के आई हूँ. So I was the first lady zone president, and then I was given the privilege, again thanks to the leaders or the management, to be the first lady GLC, General Legal Counsel. My legal background, which I had not used it for so many years, मेरे पापा खुश हो गए कि अरे अब सबको पता चल गया तू lawyer है. So many people come and like, मैडम आप lawyer कब बने? I'm like, मैं lawyer ही थी लेकिन use नहीं किया था. So that certification of my law degree came into use when I became the GLC of JCI India.
Wow. And with the help of that, you're now traveling the whole India?
Yeah, actually, I call myself as a passionpreneur. People say entrepreneur, thatpreneur, thispreneur. I'm a passionpreneur. मुझे बात करना and travel करना बहुत है. I love talking, I love traveling, and now I get paid for it. So I don't think I could.
हमने कुछ पे नहीं किया. हमने कुछ भी पे नहीं किया है. Ma'am has come with the respect and love for us over here.
No, I'm not saying that. Some people say passion से profession नहीं होता है, but if you work for it हो जाता है.
So you became an entrepreneur also.
Yes, I run a enterprise called Let's Party. We cater to party products, party decor, customized birthday.
Connected to your profession.
Yes. So we have 2 stores of that in Mangalore, and have a lovely team which is taking care of it.
And we have a small research about it, a pain point about that you have lost your partner in between this journey.
Life में, जिंदगी में सबको कभी ना कभी there will be up and down. You all miss out something, but they say time recovers all. But I think this loss will be always an irreplaceable part of my life. Sachin was my partner for Let's Party, and that is how we started Let's Party as a business. Unfortunately, 2022, we lost him because of a road accident, bike accident on the spot. I mean, it's still not acceptable, nahi ho raha hai. But that will always be a irreplaceable part of my life. We will always miss him.
तो मैम इतने दीवाने आपके पीछे पड़ते हैं
आई ऐसे मत बोलो यार.
राइट. तो सौजन्य हेगड़े को कैसा लड़का पसंद है? अगर किसी को आपको अप्रोच भी करना हो तो अपने आप को कैसे तैयार करके पहुंचे?
आपको पता है ना मेरी शादी हो चुकी है और सुधीर वॉच कर रहे हैं इसको.
Still, if you want to know it, maybe शायद सुधीर जी के अंदर में वो चेंज आ जाए even after 20 years कि सौजन्य को ऐसा लड़का पसंद है.
नहीं, मुझे तो सुधीर ही पसंद है, but I can tell you what girls will look in a boy. We'll make it quite general.
Okay, चलेगा.
Generally, लड़के सोचते हैं that physique attracts या अच्छे लगेंगे, अच्छे presence होगा तो it will be more attractive. Actually, that may come on a second line. If you have something that you can talk to intellectually or anything that you can sit and discuss, क्योंकि प्यार व्यार की बातें कितनी देर तक करेंगे ना, गुड़ी बातें तो कितनी देर तक करेंगे. There should be something that you can actually talk to people, anything that you can discuss with. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा होना चाहिए and sense of humor होना चाहिए. You have to make somebody smile, you have to make somebody laugh, you have to make somebody laugh with you. So अगर ये दो चीजें हैं, गर्ल्स पट जाएंगे.
तभी मैं सोचूं मेरे में सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर था नहीं तो मुझसे कहां से कोई पटने वाली थी. तो
ये तो गलत बोला आपने, but you really talk well.
Thank you.
Not that I'm impressed with you.
No, to impress you, I have to work a lot. Maybe शायद in the second podcast I can impress you.
Joking.
एक entrepreneurship जो आपके अंदर आया है, which you are not by born, which you are not there in a journey. You are a, मतलब आप शोशा की जिंदगी में, शोबिज की जिंदगी से हैं, की लाइफस्टाइल से हैं, और वहां से एंटरप्रेन्योर भी कर रहे हो और शोबिज को भी कंटिन्यू कर रहे हो. तो ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर पार्ट ऑफ जेसीज एंड लायंस आप में अंदर आया है सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट के माध्यम से?
Not really, because business तो मेरे शुरू हुआ था before I started with the journey of JCI or organizations. But what has helped me is what I realized. One of the leadership trainings, one of the business trainings, one trainer had said, when you grow as a businessman, it is not that you become more busy with your business. When you grow as a businessman, you have to be less busy with your business. The business has to run by itself. That system planning, putting things into place, having delegation is what the organization has taught me. So when you grow up, it is not that आप ज़्यादा ही involved हो, हर चीज़ के लिए आपको ही call आए. Putting things into place is what the organization has.
Impact of JCI on your life in just one line.
I think I have started inspiring people. I was always from that show light business, lights, camera, action. Film hai, modeling hai, fashion show hai, anchoring hai. I was always into that glitter and chamkila wala stage. JCI is one platform which not only put things into place in my anchoring field, but showed me the new line of training, maybe attending training or becoming a trainer. Today, if I am a corporate trainer, skill trainer, who gets into a corporate office, who gets into a school, college, training people, that is because of JCI. Because of my profession earlier, anchoring या जो भी है stage पे, I used to impress people. उस टाइम के लिए लोग बोलेंगे अरे वाह क्या बात की, क्या लग रही है ये वो, and they go. But because of training, I have realized I inspire people. अगर ट्रेनिंग के बाद दो लोग भी आके मुझे आके मिला के बोले मैम this has inspired me, I'm really going to do this, I'm really going to change myself, that actually gives you that kick बोलते हैं ना, it's a different kind of a feeling. So that I think has come from JCI.
Even I have worked with many organizations and organization में हर कोई ज्यादातर सेवा के लिए आता है, हेल्प के लिए आता है, काम करने के लिए आता है ताकि वो भी एक सोसाइटी को वापस दे सके. मगर कहीं पे भी हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में चाहे कोई भी हो, चाहे JCI भी हो, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल पॉलिटिक्स से बचा नहीं है. How did you deal with that?
You have to understand, you can't change something. आप change नहीं कर सकते. You have to be there, deal with it, grow with it. अगर आप ये समझ लेंगे, I think it is easier for you. You cannot change sometimes. नहीं होता है, हम ट्राई भी करेंगे तो कुछ चीजें चेंज नहीं होते. यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट, अंडरस्टैंड इट, ग्रो विद इट. अगर ये आपकी सहन में आ जाता है, आई थिंक यू कैन डील विद द आउटर थिंग्स व्हिच विल अफेक्ट यू. दिस शुड नॉट अफेक्ट द क्रक्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ये जो आप
पॉलिटिक्स,
हाँ, पॉलिटिक्स नहीं बोलूंगी, बट इंटरनल जो भी
issues
है should not affect your growth in the organization. आप आए हो because of JCI, which the principles, values and the mission and the vision of the organization is your betterment, personality development. Other things should not distract you. So I think that will be a part of any organization that you go. When you have understood that this part is alag, mera growth is alag, you can actually excel well in the organization.
And where do you see yourself as a leader, despite of any organization, for the future?
When I can create more people getting into the top ladder. A leader is successful only when you have more leaders being created. Maybe from my own chapter at home, maybe someone whom I can inspire and push them ahead. When I see that someone whom I have got into the organization is reaching greater heights, or somebody who's looked at me and been inspired and reached greater heights, that is what will make good for me.
Okay. This surname Hegde, are you attached to Pooja Hegde?
So many people have asked me, and I even have pictures and videos with her. I've hosted shows with her. I said, हाँ, मेरी छोटी बहन है. ढूंढेंगे तो कहीं से connection मिलेगा, but no, I'm not related.
You're not related. Okay.
We are only related as an artist.
And what is the next goal, vision of Saujanya Hegde?
This one question has been confusing me throughout my life. Like, एक dream बताओ, एक goal बताओ. Things have fallen into my place without even asking for. Thankfully, things have got into place. I never had a goal or a dream in life कि ये करना है, ये करना है. I never even knew I would get married so early. इतनी जल्दी mother बनूंगी, इसमें आऊंगी. So things have actually fallen into place. But whatever I do it with a lot of respect to that position. Even being a mother, I give my value, my time, my 100% to actually be a mother. When I'm at home, when I'm a daughter-in-law, when I'm a daughter, I make sure at least I give justice to that role that I'm playing. So irrespective of what I want to do, I want to be whatever I've taken up, let me take it forward well. Let me give justice to that one role what I'm playing at that particular time.
The last question for the day.
Okay.
Give 3 important lessons or a message or an attribute that you want to give to the youngsters, especially females, who see you that I can be like you, who see you that I want to be in the same leader position, I want to do myself, I want to prove myself. उन लड़कियों के लिए या महिलाओं के लिए 3 ऐसी चीजें, 3 ऐसे लेसन, 3 ऐसे steps.
Okay. Let's not say it महिलाओं के लिए ही. Anybody from the younger generation. Nothing comes easy. Hard work is the only way out. If you have to be successful, you may have talent, you may have luck, you may have influence, you may have chances, but only if your hard work is continuously seen, that is when you get success. So please don't mix up hard work for anything. There is no replacement for hard work and continuous efforts that you have to take up. So hard work is the mantra. Secondly, life is difficult for everybody. If you and I are sitting here smiling in front of the camera, पता नहीं कल का दिन कैसा था. Oh my God, it must have been horrible. Or tomorrow, what is going to be? So everybody's life has a hurdle. जो अच्छा दिखता है वो सिर्फ Instagram में और Facebook में दिखता है. Not everybody's life is beautiful, but realize that we can make it beautiful. हम अच्छे बना सकते हैं. So let the hurdles not disturb you, but be a reason that you can perform better. Thirdly, keep that smile on always. That is your positive aura. हम brain को cheat कर सकते हैं. When you keep smiling, the brain also gets the positivity. हम स्माइल कर रहे हैं, हम रो रहे हैं तो ब्रेन गेट्स लाइक oh this one is sad, ब्रेन भी ऐसे हो जाता है. If you keep smiling at every time, ब्रेन भी होता है oh everything is good, so let's take it positively. So keep that smile on. I think that is the biggest weapon that will help you to conquer the world. Fight with any situation. Keep smiling.
Wonderful, wonderful. So this is Saujanya Hegde for you. My friends, please follow her. Not because she's beautiful, not because she's from the showbiz, but she's a character to learn. She has an aura to inspire. एक छोटी बात शायद आपकी जिंदगी में फर्क ला दे और शायद हमें इन्हें दोबारा मिलने का मौका मिल जाए. So it was lovely you being here.
Thank you so
I
much.
have learned so much from you last few days being with you. I have learned how to deal with organization, which I have not been doing it in a better way. I have learned keep going, take opportunities, don't think of much of things. You should have a goal, but जो आ रहा है वो काम करते जाओ, कभी ना कभी पहुंच जाओगे. And it was lovely being with you.
Thank you so much, Manish. You've been a very good host, and I've seen you talk in a couple of stages as well. So all the very best. It was such a pleasure being on your podcast.
It was my honor
really
being
nice.
with you and accompanying with you.